The next topic after Himalayas that we are starting is peninsula plateaus. Plateaus are actually a tableland structure. If you know what tableland is, this is the real image of a plateau. If you can see closely, it appears like a table which you have at your home. So plateaus are table like structure. Now these plateaus are made up of basically three main rocks, that is the crystalline rock, the igneous rock, and the metamorphic rock. Again, the peninsular plateaus are again broadly divided into two parts, that is the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. If you can see in the map over here, the area here is the Central Highland, while the area over here, the triangular structure, is Deccan Plateau. The most important thing to note is the Narmada River divides or separates the Deccan Plateau from Central Highland. This is the one most important topic, that the Narmada River, it divides Deccan Plateau and Central Highland. If we discuss about Central Highland, the Central Highland, it lies towards the north of the Narmada River. The Central Highland lies to the north of the Narmada River. If you can see, the Vindhya range is on the south part of Central Highland. Aravallis are in the northwest, and after Aravali, the plateau then extends to the Great Indian Deserts of Rajasthan. There are a number of rivers which drains in Central Highland. For example, Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. Now this river, they flow from southwest to northeast. Then again, the river, they flow from southwest to northeast, which clarifies or which specifies the slope of this Central Highland. Toward the eastward extension of Central Highland, somewhere over here, we can find Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand. And towards further eastward extension, there is Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is drained by the Damodar River. The next topic that we are starting after Central Highland is Deccan Plateau. If you can see clearly in the image, it shows that Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass. Deccan Plateau lies towards the south of Narmada River. It's quite obvious since Narmada River separates Deccan Plateau and Central Highland, and Central Highland lies towards the north of Narmada River. So quite obvious, the Deccan Plateau lies towards the south of Narmada River. If you can see the Satpura range, it marks the base in the north for the Deccan Plateau, and there are a number of hills which could be seen in the eastern extension. For example, the Mahadev Hill, the Kaimur Hill, and the Maika Range. Again, the point to be noted is these Deccan Plateau are higher in the western region and they slope towards ईस्टवर्ड, विच मीन्स कि इन द वेस्टर्न रीजन वो बड़े होते हैं और जैसे जैसे ईस्ट में जाते जाते हैं उनकी जो हाइट है वो कम होती जाती है. फर्दर एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इज सीन इन द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन, दैट इज मेघालय एंड कार्बी एनालॉग प्लेट्यू. द वेरी famous and three important range of Deccan Plateau which are in the northeast region are Garo, Khasi and Jaintai.